Hello, my fellow Toga students. Student elections are coming up, and we urge you to vote for two candidates that will make a difference for us, the students of Saratoga Springs High School. Izzy Cavada is running for president, and we can tell you that she will work tirelessly for us, the students. Killian Monroe is running to fill the shoes of current senior Matt Sehusen as the Board of Education representative. Those will be some big shoes to fill since Matt was such a voice for the students. But we are confident Killian Monroe will represent us just as strongly. So come election day, please vote Izzy Cavada for president and Killian Monroe for Board of Education representative. Thank you, and go Toga! This has been a message brought to you by your pal the Streak Freak at the Toga Hot Seat. Have a good day.